Welcome my dear students. So in this video tutorial, I am going to solve you some of the interesting problem from subject physics. So regarding the JEE Advanced preparation. Okay. So to start with this, let us say there is a particle of mass 1 kg. It is free to move along the x-axis. It is given that the particle is moving freely along the x-axis, and for that situation, the potential energy of the particle is given as this number. U is equals to x square by 2 minus x times 2. So now, if the total mechanical energy of the particle is 2 joule, then find the maximum speed of the particle. So you are asked to calculate the maximum speed. So V should be how much? So that the total mechanical energy of the particle is 2 joule, assuming that only conservative forces are acting on the particle. Okay. So whenever the conservative forces are acting on the particle, so total energy is nothing but the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. So total energy is equals to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, this is the number. Now you are giving that U is potential energy, that is equals to x square by 2 minus x. Okay. Now first we calculate the potential energy where it is minimum. So for U to be minimum, what we can write, that du dx number is equals to 0. Okay, du dx number is equals to 0. So du dx is how much? That is equals to 2x by 2 minus 1 equals to 0. That means at x equals to 1, the du dx number is equals to 0. Now I have to check whether at x equals to 1 potential energy is minimum or not. So for that I will go for the second derivative. So du dx square is what? Du dx square is simply equals to 1. So that number is positive. So that means we can say that now U becomes minimum. Now the final conclusion is that U will be minimum at x equals to 1 location. Now corresponding to that x equals to 1 location, what is the U minimum value? So U minimum is equals to x square by 2 minus x, and putting the value of x equals to 1 meter. So what is the right? 0.5 minus 1, that is minus 0.5 joule. So minus 0.5 joule is the potential energy minimum. So you know that whenever the potential energy is minimum, at that position the kinetic energy will be maximum. Nah. So at that position kinetic energy will be maximum. So total energy remain fixed. So total energy is equals to 2. So can I say kinetic energy is equals to 2 minus the potential energy minimum? Now simply I got the value of potential energy minimum as 0.5 with a negative sign. So this number should be 2.5 joule kinetic energy maximum. So this number becomes maximum value of kinetic energy. And corresponding to that, what you can know that kinetic energy corresponds to equals to half mv square. The mass of the particle is given as 1. So V square becomes 5. Okay. So that means V should be equals to root of 5 meter per second. So that will be your answer. So this number, that is the V number that I am getting, is nothing but the maximum velocity of the particle. Okay. So this is the maximum velocity of the particle corresponding to that variation of the potential energy. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye then.